Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in IntelliJ. First, Claude Code runs through the command line interface. You need to download Node.js and choose the long-term support version. After installing, open your terminal and verify the installation by typing node -v and npm -v. If version numbers appear, it means Node.js is installed correctly and you are ready to proceed. Next, open your system terminal and install Claude Code using the official installation command from Anthropic. After installation, check that it installed by typing cloud -- version. If a version number appears, the installation was successful. Now go to Anthropic console and create a new API key or copy an existing one. Keep this key secure because you will need it inside IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ IDEA and open your project. Then open a terminal inside IntelliJ, which you can find at the bottom panel under the Terminal tab. Here, you will set your API key. On Windows, tap set x _API_key. Then paste your API key in quotation marks and press enter. On Mac or Linux, tap export _API_key, then an equal sign, followed by your API key in quotation marks and press enter. After this, restart IntelliJ to apply the changes. Once everything is set up, you can run Claude directly in the IntelliJ terminal by typing Claude and pressing enter. You can also ask questions or get code help by typing something like Claude explain this Java error and press enter. Claude will provide explanations and suggestions right in your terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.